beauties. Happy New Year. How are you? Let's get into today. So I'll just mention shit that I usually mention. So today I'm burning Fresh Balsam. I'm almost done with it. And then I got a new, little new setup here going on. So I put some makeup out and stuff. I got a palette organizer thing. I don't know what you exactly call them, but got one of those. My lip combo for today is Juvia's Place Red Velvet, which is the lipstick I'm using. And then the lip liner is by Morphe and it's called Mina. I'm totally forgetting how to do this, which is really, really bad. Okay, so if this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe and like the video. And if you've never seen a BoxyCharm video on my channel before, I like to mention one of the products from the last box that I've received that I just kept gravitating towards, I kept using. And the winner for last month is the gel lip liner by Mellow Cosmetics in the color Rose. You guys, this lip liner it shocked me very much. I didn't think that this was going to be the one that I was going to gravitate towards a lot. The color is very wearable. I feel like anyone can wear this type of color. It's super pretty. The reason why I like this so much is it glides on without no issues. I used it as a full-blown lipstick and it does not budge, you guys. And there is so much pigment to this gel liner. It is ridiculous. This runs for $15 and it's by a company I've never heard of before, which is one of the reasons why I love BoxyCharm, because it makes me go outside of the box and try brands I've never heard of before. But yes, Mellow Cosmetics has been out since 2014. They have a very, very cool background story of how they became. So if you want to check out their website, go ahead and you can read about it. But yeah, they've been out since 2014. I did not know that they had obviously a lot more to offer than just the liners. They have palettes, they have lashes, they have a lot of other stuff. So I am intrigued to try some more things from this company. But you guys, this is absolutely beautiful as a full lipstick, or you could just use it as a lip liner if you're looking for a new company to try out. I absolutely love this. It gave me no issues. It just glided on super smoothly. And one of the things that I noticed is when after a while you're wearing it, obviously the inner part is gonna fade out. But I put on a little bit of chapstick and then I just applied it with my lips, and it gave it a very nice, pretty blurring effect. I'm not much into the blurring effect lipsticks. ColourPop has them. I've tried them. It's not my thing, but for some reason, the way it looked with the liner was absolutely beautiful. So if you're into blurring effect lipsticks or lip liners that you can do that with, I would definitely try these out because this is so pretty. I was shocked myself, you guys. I was like, what is going on here? I actually love this. And it didn't budge for a really, really long time. Once you put it on and you let it dry, it sets itself and your lips don't look crusty, they don't look dry, they just look beautiful and you feel like you don't have anything on. It is just super comfortable to wear. So this was definitely the winner from last month. So let's get into January's box. Okay, so this month's theme is Refresh, and I did open it. I usually open it with my youngest niece, but at the time that I received the box a few days ago, she was sick, so I had to stay away from her, so I couldn't open it with her, which was really sad because I kind of got used to it. So anyways, I did sneak in. So this box really shocked me, you guys, because there's a lot of brands in here that are very well known brands, and I'm pretty excited about it. So the first thing that I chose for my box this month was the Wander Beauty Laundress Escape Eyeshadow Palette. I have never used their eyeshadows before. I absolutely love their mascara. If you haven't tried their mascara, you need to try their mascara. It is phenomenal. But this runs for $42 and it is featuring hyaluronic acid to help skin retain moisture and rosehip seed oil to help smooth out dry skin. This palette includes a mix of neutral and bold colors with shimmer, satin, and matte finishes that are crease proof for all day wear. I'm excited for this. So let's open up because I forgot what it looked like. As you can see, they're sealed. I mean, you could see the colors on the top there, which is really cool on the packaging. This is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. But I have not actually opened this to look at it. You guys, I am the worst at opening these up. Not that I need another eyeshadow palette, but I wanted to try out their formula. So the front of it is the same packaging, and then the back is like the gorgeous kind of sunset sky. And then it is very like neutral with some pretty like pops of pastel colors. This is very, very pretty. And I'm definitely going to try this out because I really, really want to try out their eyeshadow formula. This blue is called Seagrass. That is absolutely stunning. It's so pretty. All right, so that's the first thing that I got. The second thing that I got was the Too Faced Hangover Good to Go Moisturizer with SPF 25. I didn't even know that they had a moisturizer. This moisturizer hydrates and gives you the glowing complexion you want while shielding you from harmful UVA and UVB rays with broad spectrum SPF 25 protection. This lightweight dewy moisturizer is your daily source of antibiotics, vitamin enriched moisture, and sun protection. This one's for $35, and I like Too Faced packaging because their boxes are matte, and you know I'm obviously a matte obsessed freak. This is what it looks like, and I'm intrigued and I'm gonna try this out. So I'm definitely gonna keep this. The third thing that I got is that this one really surprised me, but I'm gonna give it away to my oldest niece. She's 15, and I think she uses these things for her eyebrows. I use my $1 Billion Brow Pencil, so I don't use this, but it runs for $39, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, including the dual-ended brush. So it came together as a set, which I thought was really cool. This Dip Brow Pomade is a full pigment waterproof pomade that can be used to fill in and detail brows. The long-lasting buildable formula glides on, dries down completely, and stays put, giving you effortless, natural-looking textured brows. The brush 7B is a tapered angle brush with synthetic fibers and is ideal for applying powder and emollient-based products to the brows. Use the brush to create precise hair-like strokes or sweep color through the brow. This is a long description, you guys. I'm so sorry. Use the custom spoolie end to blend product through for a soft, natural looking finish. Excuse the background. My family's downstairs. So yeah, I'm not going to use this, but I thought that was really cool. It came with the dual-ended brush, and then the pomade is in chocolate, and it comes in a glass component, all fancy and bougie. So I'm not going to be using this. I'm definitely going to be passing these two along. So the next thing that I got is the Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner. It's water resistant. It's a water resistant liquid liner. This is what it looks like. It runs for $18, and it's a vegan fade proof water resistant liquid eyeliner that features an intensely black ink for the ultimate eye definition. The micro brush tip glides on smoothly, dispensing just the right amount of liquid as you apply, allowing you to create precise definition where you want. I want to say I've heard of them before, but I'm not sure, and I don't know if I would use this. And it comes completely sealed, so I might be giving this away as well. So that's number 4. And then the last one, which I'm not a huge fan, guys. You know, everyone is not gonna like everyone. You may like people that I don't like. I probably like people you don't like, influencer type on this platform, but I'm not a fan of Dragon Beauty or the person who owns it. But I will say the packaging on this is really cute, and this is a lip liner with a sharpener. So I'm going to try this just because, you know, I am a growing influencer, and I kind of want to be, I don't want to be, what's the proper word, like biased or unbiased, just because I don't like the person behind this product. I'm here to try the makeup and to just figure out if I like it or not. So I am going to try this just because I'm intrigued, because it's a liner and it has a sharpener, which I think is really cool. But this one's for $18, and it's a contour, reshape, and create your ultimate lip fantasy with the triple extra long lip pencil. Ultra moisturizing and hydrating, this formula serves fuller lips, needle free. Keep your lip job liners on point with a single blade Dragon Beauty logo sharpener. It's in the color 2.0 cc, and it's like a brown. I do like the packaging, and I do think that it's really cool that it came with a sharpener. This is what it looks like. It is longer than normal lip liners. This is a regular size lip liner. I probably sharpened it maybe once or twice, but you can clearly see like how much more product comes in this. But the Morphe lip liners run for $3 and this is $18 with a sharpener, just to, you know, give you an idea and compare it to something else. But I am going to try this, and it is a very neutral light brown. It's not dark at all, but that's the color right there. I think I can actually match this to the little lipstick that I got in my mystery box by Melt Cosmetics, because it looks very similar to that color. And then on the other side, it has the sharpener, which I thought was really, really cool. This is what it looks like. And it's got one side, and then I think and then you open up the flap here to empty it out, and then you just close it. I think that's really, really cool. So I'm gonna keep this and I'm gonna try it out. So yeah, you guys, I'm back. I'm trying to get, you know, into the swing of things after being on vacation for 2 weeks. As soon as I came back, I went right back to work the next day. It's been a little hectic at work because I literally went like an entire week where it was just me and my deli boss, because the rest of like our staff was sick and out. So it's been a little crazy, to say the least. I'm gonna be dropping out as many videos as I can now since I'm back. I did order the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics concealer. I did not get the skin foundation thing. It's just, I knew it wasn't gonna be my cup of tea and I was not gonna waste the money on it. So I'm waiting for that to come in and I'll put out a review on that. After this one, you guys will be getting a video on my last purchases that I made of 2021, and then what I got for Christmas, and then a few other things. But I'm just gonna be rolling them out as much as I can, you guys, and then yeah, keep it moving. There's a lot of new releases coming out. Some of them I'm like some of them I'm like okay, maybe. But yeah, so I even might do a video just to literally catch you up on everything that's been going on with me, like, because there's a lot. There's a lot, but it might be like maybe like a 6-7 minute video or something. So I love you guys. I'm back. I'm so happy to be back. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys had a great holiday season. And I literally seriously hope that this year starts getting better, because at this point right now we're what, 2.5-3 weeks in, and there's already a lot of shit going on. But anyways, you guys stay safe out there. I hope you guys are staying healthy. Please be kind to yourself and please be kind to others, and I will see you in a couple of days. Bye. Love you.